Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video we are going to unboxing LED headlamp. So I bought this torch on Amazon. This is the torch. This is how it looks like. So I'm going to unbox. This is the box. So I bought 2 of these headlamps. I'm gonna bring it outside. This is the first one. Okay, this is how it looks like here. So you can put on your head like this, and this is the battery. This is where you charge the battery. So it comes with 2 batteries. It's like this. Yeah, these are rechargeable. So you plug the batteries like this. So plug this on this side, close on this way. Yeah. So you can also use this button to see how many percent you have on the battery. It's like now 75 to 100%. So before you use this, you need to charge the battery until it's 100% from here. That's cool. Okay, all right. Okay, so this is the front of the torch, and they have 2 buttons. We have this one, yes, and this one. So let's see if I press this one. If I press this button only once, you see, so one, it's gonna look like this. If you see, very bright. 2, I press 3, it's gonna dim. Okay, you can also do like this. 1 press. Okay, let me press the other one, this one. 1 press, it's gonna come like this. Very bright light. Double click, it's more brighter. Yeah, it's good. Yeah, it's very bright. So it's nice, I like it. So it also comes with the charger. So this is another one. I bought 2 of this, and each comes with 2 batteries. And these are the things. What is this from? Okay, where is the charger? Okay, this is the charger. This is how it looks like. How to charge this? I'm looking forward to plug this. Okay, here. So this is where you charge the batteries. You think you open this one? Yeah. Put this one here like this, and then you can charge. Yeah, I like it. So I'm going to show you this on my head. I'm gonna put this on my head. Just a quick. All right, so I'm gonna wear this one. So it's like this. You see? So this is the back, this is the front. So I'm gonna test it. Oh, very nice. Look, very bright. Like this. Okay, one time. See? One. Like this. Okay. Very bright. I like it. So the headlamp is good if you want to do hunting. For example, if you want to hunt at night, if you want to see something during the night, it's good. It looks good and it's portable. Oh, I didn't know you can adjust this one. Look, that's cool. Let me see. Oh, wow, I'm starting to learn this. So you can do like this. See? So if you zoom out like this, you get this type of light. If you zoom in, you see it's more larger. If you zoom out, it's bigger. So I like it when it's like this. It's very nice. So you can zoom out and zoom in. It's cool. I like it. Very nice. So yeah, this is it, guys. If you want to also get this one, you can buy this light on Amazon. You can click the link in the description to buy. It's pretty cheap if you buy two. Yeah, thank you guys. Love you. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Whenever I post a new video, you'll be notified. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel so that whenever I publish a new video, you will be the first one to get a notification from the YouTube. Thank you so much.